Okay, so we're back to the transmission lines. One of them that I struggled with a little bit ended up leaking on me. So it's gonna be, oh, you can see there's some fluid on it. It's gonna be this one. The two lines here, the one that connected here, it went straight back, which was fine. This one, I only had a little bit of line and then it had a little curve in it before it went straight back. So I didn't have enough to make the fitting that I needed. So I went ahead and bought a whole new line, as frustrating as that is. It's the one that was more straight, so I didn't have the issue again. And then I just made a new fitting. And I hadn't really considered it, but I need enough space to get the quick disconnect tool on there and still be able to loosen the line. That other line's going to be a huge pain to get off. So I made this one longer for that reason. Unfortunately, I learned that lesson a little bit too late. Then because we're having to come back and redo this, I had to have the supervisor out here while I'm doing it, make sure I'm not doing it wrong again. So she's pretty cool. She can be a bit of a bitch sometimes, but she gets the job done. Okay, so after getting it unscrewed from the back here, I was not able to slide this piece off the tubing, so I had to cut it. Oh well, I'm also missing the piece that I cut off. I had to cut it to get this off because it was kind of crimped on there with that brass fitting, and then use the quick disconnect tool to get that out. And now it should be real quick to just slide in. So all I gotta do is take this and clip it in there, and then connect it to the line, which I tucked away, and then we'll be all set. So I'm gonna screw it on the line first though, because that makes it a lot easier.